Hi, I'm working on a 2011 Volkswagen Routan van. I'll be doing the front wheel hub. This one's on the driver's side. So the first thing we're gonna do is jack up and remove the wheel and secure the vehicle on jack stands. Okay, I have the wheel hub axle bolt nut, axle nut, spray with some WD-40 or penetrating oil. Sprayed the strut to spindle nuts, penetrating oil too, and this bolt here for the ABS sensor, so they won't break. This axle nut takes a 32 millimeter. So what I usually do is put something strong to stop the wheel from turning and get the axle nut to spin off. So that's the first thing I'll do. Okay, I got the nut to come loose, so I'm using the ratchet to finish turning it off of the axle. I'm going to take off the ABS wires. It's connected from the back here. It's just connected. Right there. So disconnect this connector, pull this out of the from the body, and take off the ABS wire. Okay, I got the bolt out of here. I'm going to pull this out to give me some slack here. So I can slide this off. ABS wire. Now I'm going to remove the caliper and bracket as a complete assembly, and the rotor. Remove the rotor and hang it on with a bungee cord. Okay, I got the brake caliper and rotor off with the bracket. I'm going to be loosening these nuts here too and hit them out with a sledgehammer. This will allow me to get to the back of this wheel hub. So I have to tap the axle out. Stick in here. Another thing to do is take these three 10mm. You take 10mm sockets, get these bolts off. You're gonna have to take off the backing plate so that the ABS wire can be removed. Key to hitting those axles out of the wheel hub is to use a punch, put it in the center. That way you don't damage the threads and have to get into the axle. Got these. Bolts here for the spindle. Take these out. Those out, and I'll be able to access the bolts for the wheel hub. Another good sign I noticed, well, it isn't a good sign, but it's a sign that the wheel bearing is bad, is the axle will be red. That's from the heat that the bearing creates when the grease has gone out of it. So that's my theory on that. Okay, there's 4 bolts back here. These take a 15mm socket. Turn these bolts off, and then you can hit off the old bearing. Here's the new wheel hub bearing. Just got to unravel the wiring, and it's reversal of the install. So I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, I got the 4 bolts lined up. Another thing I forgot to mention was inside the spindle, before you put this hub on, you should clean out the space where the hub goes, because that can cause it to either stick or misalign, from what I was told, and that can cause premature bearing failure too. So just tighten these 4 bolts down, and put this axle in place so that I can mount the spindle to the strut. Okay, I got the hub mounted with at the axle in place. I got the strut to spindle mount bolts in position. I have to hammer the back of the bolt because there's like these little notches in there. These bolts sit in to hold them still. Put the backing plate on. And I put the some of the ABS wire in place. So I'm going to tighten these. Spindle to strut the bolts to put the nuts on. Tighten those down, tighten down the backing plate. Alright, everything's mounted. Backing plate on. Put the rotor on. And put the caliper assembly on. Okay, there's the connector right there for the ABS wire. That's all been run. Everything's connected here. The caliper rotor's on. So all that's left is the axle nut and the torque at this point.